Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Jojo, and today I'm taking you guys along as we go fabric shopping with Yvonne. So Yvonne called me on Saturday and she wanted me to source for her a certain fabric, but I thought since the last video that we did with her in Toy Market, so if you've not watched the video, I'll link it in the cards above and also in the description box below. So if you remember, she said that she has never been to Gikomba, and I thought this would be the perfect time for her to go and visit Gikomba, at least the fabric side. So today is on Monday, and I thought this would be the right time for me to go do fabric shopping. There's a project that I've been putting off for quite some time now. I'm doing the entryway, and I need to do some Ottoman for the entryway. So I thought I'll take advantage of this time and go fabric shopping also for the same, and at least I can get started on the entryway project. It's been a long time coming, since last year. So guys, I'll take you guys along as you go shopping for the fabrics, and get to show you the different places you can get fabrics from. There's a whole street in Gikomba where they do sell fabric and anything seats, so, and even curtain rods, everything. So if you're interested, keep watching. And disclaimer, if the next few clips you see a change of hairstyle, it's because I forgot to do the intro before we went shopping, so this is a whole other day, but the thing is, it's still the same. So let's go meet it. So guess who I'm with?
Hey.
Hi, so I'm with Yvonne.
Yeah.
And this is the second video that we are doing. And
Yay, imagine.
yes, the last video we did, we said that we have to get her to Gikomba.
Yeah.
Yes, and that is where we are today. So we are fabric shopping. So we are Gikomba side where they do have fabric. And you're looking for...
I want to buy some fabric for a project that I'm doing. So I wanted leather fabric. So I came here to get leather fabric, and she brought me.
Yes, and it was a coincidence because I wanted fabric for some Ottoman that I'm doing.
I'm happy I called you.
By the way, and this thing was organized like on when was it? On
it was
Saturday.
Yeah,
Saturday.
yeah, actually it
was Saturday, and then she said that she...
Okay, yeah, it was Sato.
Yes, so she wanted to know where she can get fabric in Gikomba, and I was like,
because I'm not like familiar with the place, so I was like, if I come, where do I go? And it's actually a big place, because you're telling me when the utensil side is like
the other side.
So it would have been hectic.
Yeah, so it was a coincidence that I also needed some fabric, and I thought we would combine this and take the trip together.
So let's see what we can find actually. I
Hopefully,
hope we get fabrics and go with fabrics before 3 p.m.
Yes.
Before 3 p.m. Yeah, so we got here at around 12.
Yes,
We've been walking
12.
in Dogo. So hopefully we are done by 3 and then we can get going. Right?
Yeah. So let's go along.
900. So unaona kwa kila type ya ngozi kutoa white yake, unaona hawatoi white kabisa. Sina depending ni ngozi type gani. Unaona kama hii type ya PU
Hiyo ndio white.
Oh, so white yake ni ile yenye pale nje.
Oh, so naelewa.
So ukienda kwa type ya ngozi, ukienda kwa white yake haifanani kama venye ulikuwa expect, kama ile kitu ulikuwa expect. Unaona?
Okay.
Hizo ndio quality juu kabisa.
Yenye mko nayo.
Yenye inakuanga.
Oh, yenye inakuanga. Okay. And you're the most expensive.
900.
Inaka bright.
But si soft.
Kai ni ngumu. But ingekuwa bright hivi bedha hata nineke na ka vizuri. Hakuna zingine yenye iko nini? Ni soft yenye iko na kama ma lines, ma texture. Oh, hiyo tumeonyeshwa. Hakuna ingine? So guys, we are still fabric shopping with Yvonne.
Fabric yake hatujapata bado.
Yes, but we got her white leather, but it's good. At least ndio ajue njia na ajue tumashimo.
Because next time I know you might tell me I'm not taking you.
Exactly. So at least the next time she, yes, at least anakuwa amejua everywhere where you come from and at least all the places. So let's keep going and we'll let you know what you need. Oh, this one? So, guys.
Let's go, guys. Okay, napenda hii kama si soft kabisa.
But iko na nini brighter.
Sasa so tunatafuta fabric inakaa hivi but bright gray.
Gray.
Una bright.
Kama hiyo ya tatu.
Kama hizo.
Kama hiyo ya tatu. Sasa basi unatolewa hiyo 20 bob. Ingine for 30.
So yenye unamuzia na for 30.
For 30.
Hizi ni for 30. Nana
Sasa
kama
kati hiyo 30 bob.
Tunakwambia kati hiyo 30 bob. Ndio iko tu hiyo 4.
sasa nikupuzia hivyo yake. Sasa
Okay.
Liping
Kati
yake,
hiyo 30 bob.
liping yake ni
sasa nikukuzia 30 bob. Na naamini hasa na siwezi haribu kazi.
Hautakuwa unaharibu kazi. Utakuwa unapata client ananunua sahi.
hii liping yake.
Utambia for 30 sasa unajua itabidi tuanze kutembea tena.
Na
Nataka kutembea.
mistari.
So tufanyie na hiyo nini?
Na mimi nakuzia bei ni mzuri na roho safi.
Hiyo 30 bob nimeongeza tu saa hii. Haikuwa hapo.
Siwezi ongeza customer ati nikufurahishe na mimi niumie. Naona.
Dipping.
Serious. Afadhali nikwambie tu kitu ya kweli. Naona. Ta kesho unipate.
Ndio sitaka ukose kuwa hapa kesho.
Na kesho utanipata. Na mimi na
So we are trying to
At the end
decide.
of the day, I don't eat that texture.
Hii ingine. So we are trying to choose between these two. This is soft. This is so soft.
This one is softer than
Than this one, but this one is brighter than this. So that's the dilemma.
customer. Nikusumbue. Pao madam wako.
But you know they're all soft, they're all bright at the end of the day. So this one is a bit
But
textured.
the softness.
You like the softness? Alafu hii na feel it's more quality than this
Than
one. This one
hii.
is lighter
This is light.
than this one.
Pia naona hii inanika vizuri. The design.
The design is nice. Kwanza for the things you want to do. Lakini since unatengeneza the poofs, si kitu inatumika every day. So there's no worry hata
Yeah,
ukitumia
kwenye
nini.
yeah,
The lighter
this.
one, yeah.
Iko na hii.
Simeka clear.
Iko na line.
At least
Go with this one.
I think.
Let's go with this one.
Hivi ndo type yenye natafuta ya nini? This is a bit dull. So guys, it's end of day and we did manage to get the fabrics that we're looking for. So if you're looking for maybe fabric to reupholster your seats or maybe do like a tufted headboard, you can definitely check that street in Gikomba where they sell furniture and the materials that you need when you're making the seats. So you can call the numbers that we have left. Those are the shops that we went to and the shops that we managed to purchase from. And hopefully maybe if you're in the market for fabric, maybe they can sort you out. So until next time, I hope you did like the video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button below. So until next time, Bye.